party me keep on a call police. And we are keep a party called Begga Cup, beg some ice and buy some blood clean chaser.
Bless you, love and great things, all my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, kings and queens, anyone that will love. 1st of September, we give thanks to life. Saying, yes, man, so anyone that peace and love. Big up all of my loyal supporters them on the platform who are like and share the thing them. And so I say, yes, man, if you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. Help the channel grow. Now, big up Lady Danger. Remember video of showing Lady Danger. She keep her party ready, battery ride and shots. Yeah, she adjust who come support her and who don't come support her. Who come beg liquor, buy beg ticket, beg ice and chaser. So she says, so she want to keep dance and tackle it. You see me I say, but I'm going to hear what she say. Big up the female artists in the UK, see? But before that, my viewers and subscribers, tonight, I don't know, Silk Radio. Go check out Silk Radio, see? You don't know, Mama London, I got up on it, interview, you don't know, Steph London mother, you have Candyman, you have Daima, you have Sugar. So each and every Thursday, I have artist link up, artist interviews. So tune in tonight, see? From 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. UK time. That's what I say. Big up Big D, big up Shari. So no more long chatting. Here a Lady Danger, say no man.
The live cut off again to Ross. Screen recorder wanna be so what have because I can't go live again because I not even like cuss and go like the rest of the girls we go live every 5 seconds now because them girls ain't nothing to do. And me if you tell a little Kish, the amount of fight the good artists them getting, when you do a dancehall? Dancehall no want support you unless I mix up. Nikki a call decline. I bet Nikki in the record. Nikki me gone back on the live. But now stay too long. I just want to get back to the point in case nobody want to send the one year around because we have to talk about the event. Battery riders and trainers sell off. I want to big up the people who support genuinely from them art first and foremost. But you see dancehall people them, trust me, big up yourself, Nick. Just text me what you say underneath here. Record that one because we don't want it last again because I can't talk whole heap. Lana. Big up Blood Cleat Juka, you know. Hey, big up Juka to the world, you know. One of the real supporter them too. Even if Juka have a forward by herself, she did there, she go out with her good body and just a wine. So sometimes Juka draw me out people and make me forget mad. I make Nikki wine up her body. Hey, Juka, big up yourself. Temper Benz, big up. Hey, Sam, big up in your girl. Let me tell you, when you hear some people say they don't like dancer, listen, little Kish, make sure. Because that's the next problem that us artists are not doing. We not support each other and then we say this and that. And we have to remember say well we carry our own different fans. But anything Lady Danger keep, I not lie. I yes the fun there. Proper. But you we not hype enough, the people them want to come with them disrespect. So we need to start putting on some more woman strength. Me did see Tassonia earlier. The amount of female artists me see on live earlier. We have to give each other more strength. See, little danger, hey, little danger, bye. I make little danger bad, so. Little danger, if you're bad, one more time. French, you never know so she bad.
Yeah.
Blood clot.
Surprise.
Little danger, little angel. Branim. Mercedes doll. Fucking Rita. Hey, Jaja. Juanita. Jojo's sister. Texting you. Hey! Juanita. Hallelujah. The girl them come out. I have to big up Tassona. You notice Tassona keep herself to herself. I say I love that girl, Lacey, man. Real talent. Clear Angel, big up yourself. The fight is real and the struggle is real. But that now stop way from promote and keep a party. Well, I feel like I don't want to keep another party. But it depends what baby want to do. I don't want to keep another party because if me ever keep a party called if we keep the next party, me I gotta tell them so if we call the police in advance, hold on there. We are get a request and we're going to take it because we want people who want to talk the things them. We are keep a party name. The party love call police from people. Every party me keep on a call police. And we are keep a party called Begga Cup, beg some ice and buy some blood clean chaser. Because only not want people come in a people blood clean party. Clear Angel!
Lady Danger to the world, big up yourself. I'm gonna tell you this. Yeah. Do not stop what you're doing. Do not stop. Keep party. I know you before me even a shot. And you was a bad dancer, turned into a bad DJ. And you do your thing. And we love you. And we want to say this. Great danger in life where she's alive. No bother wait for she dead. She say she have a vibe. Yeah, me see it on file. Girl, flowers right now. And hey, give me flowers right now. Because the female I get a quiet. We have to all stand together right now. We have to come together. Tassonia, big up your good clean self. You know, so Tassonia produce rhythm. Bad girl, Tassonia. Money pull up. Money pull up.
This is what they don't know. This is my secret. Tassonia. Angel, I love you guys. Little Keish always there. You know, so I don't know why I go with me a Little Keish, but Little Keish is a girl. She just hold her own and she just show love same way right too.
Let me tell you about Little Keish. Little Keish beat them bad. Little Keish in our own lane. And all of us are in our own lane. But we could all do a show together, Danger. We could all do a show together, blood. And it mash up the place and turn up the place and done up the place. And we need to get circumspect now. We need for the whole of the bad artists them from the UK come together as one. So when them come here so for book with, them have to book the whole away one time. No itching straight.
Because we're not standing up there, we're all in a different category. We're all in different categories. So what you can do, I can't do. What me can do, you not gonna do. So that's why they have to cut out the rubbish now and start talking about me already have one female, me don't want another female. I'm trying to tell him we're not supporting each other under no circumstances. So even though we talk about the dancer one, and I just say dance as a young artist are the same thing. We now put them girl there. Who is Danger? Who is this? It's like you're finna mix up.
Danger, this is the thing. At the industry. You see the people them in the industry, the promoters them, the producers them, these are the people who we need to make sure them know say, yo, dancehall bad. They are the ones that have brought dancehall bad.
There's enough bookings to get them.
Jesus, see the one let's say one shut the fire. I'm a girl.
Me not do live, but me see the live and me say, yo, me have to give my sister a straight. Cause you don't know how like that. And them don't know where you're forward from in a danger. Cause me is a woman who walk with a history book in my memory. So people don't know the thing. You come from Jetstar days, Savannah. Tell them say enough big stage. Enough big stage. Tell them say enough real stage. And then look around you, so enough big stage. See that? So make them see danger and things. They just one little catty just come up and do something. Long see? We are talking from D3, D2. From straight to forward. Yes, right? Good. So we know the settings. So we are setting
I'm just on the live at the moment.
I'm not doing it and it work. You know, I said, you don't want to tell us it work. That's when I'm the king. You know, we don't let the king. We always there with the king.
You got to the world.
Stand up. You know, the chase here with the set speed.
Just like the red was body.
That's what you have to give me something before you left, because you know you give me the shivers, you know. You have to give me something before you're gonna away, you know.
Stand firm. I make the big kick
with self-esteem. The power in you is so unreal. Don't let them break you down. With pride, just wear your crown. So woman, rise ahead with self-esteem. The power in you is so unreal, sister. Now make them break you down. Yeah, we can man finally.
I will love you. But now, we love you. Love you guys.
We love you like that. I mean, love all the female. Come as a lady still, me just stay in the shadows. But me love all of the empresses. And all of them are put forward for the scene. Because let me show you something where most time people don't really talk and reason about as female, we not do that something neither, you see? We're scared for share with vibrations and we shouldn't be scared. Yeah, the overs and I come from is a power that we not tap into yet, where we not start to evolve in yet. Whereas females we're scared that we one another because you see that something here? This. It near mouth. You see that mouth and teeth and tongue something here? Somehow we don't know how to control it. And that's why I'm a woman more time I'm scared. I stay in my zone because I'm not like do that something here. You see it? If we can forward together and write some tune and make some music and make some money, man, you can't be friends when I make no money. You see? We are council tax, we are gas bill, we are MRT, because we not going like we are not superhuman, we are human being, Rastafari. See?
And
so that's why I'm out there with my fire.
Levels.
Yes, different levels we pray.
No matter how you hear me name a call, me no better, me no get a number one.
We do everything what everybody else do. We pay bills. You see to me come from, we have a normal life behind everything else so we forward on live and on platform come deal with. You see it? We do this because we love it. We invest time and money into it.
Because people don't understand the whole history behind the background. Say, you know, just get up and do a song and put out. It costs you. It takes money, it takes time, it takes sacrifice. And a lot of them just look for your thing like the
when it comes to
viewers and subscribers, I don't have much to say about myself, love and peace, you know. I really think short talk, we don't support one another, be a bad mind and criticism and them things that go on, and people that call policemen, people dance and them things. I don't support that still, but let me know what you think in the comment section. You don't know a lion foot, you know, we keep it real on the battlefield. Yeah man, big up yourself, Lady Danger. Keep doing the thing. You know what I mean? I hear the king. I'm out. Not another word to me out.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.